this instructional video, I will demonstrate a simple method to conceal the App Store from an Apple device, including iPhones, iPads, and other iOS devices. This technique is particularly useful for maintaining control over app downloads and preventing children from accessing inappropriate content or making unauthorized purchases. To achieve this, navigate to the Settings application on your device. Within the Settings menu, locate the Screen Time option and select it. Scroll down until you find the Content and Privacy Restrictions section and tap on it. On this page, select iTunes and App Store purchases. Under the Installing Apps option, choose Don't Allow. This action will effectively hide the App Store from your home screen. To restore access to the App Store, simply return to the same Settings menu and select Allow under the Installing Apps option. This simple measure also reduces the risk of downloading potentially harmful applications, thereby enhancing the security of your device. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below.